Hello, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I decided to share with you guys what you can easily do with your cocoyam aside using it for soup or boiling and supporting it with red oil. Before we start, you're welcome to my channel if you're new here, and all my returning subscribers, you all are welcome. Thank you for always returning to watch my videos. Please, if you've not subscribed, please kindly subscribe, like, drop a comment and share. I really appreciate you guys. Okay guys, so let's go right into this video.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. There's not much to do.
Welcome back guys. So our crispy cocoyam chips is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Please click on the notification bell just in case I drop a brand new video, you get notified. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye. See you in my next video. Ciao.